Capcut Pc Shake Effect. That's the tutorial for today. Make sure you watch the video till the very end so you don't miss any step, and make sure you subscribe and like this video for more. I really appreciate it. Thank you. And now let's jump right into this video. I'll walk you through the entire process. So what you have to do first, make sure you import your video and then head over to effects, and here in effects we have nightclub. Click on nightclub category and here select shake. Make sure you also cut your video, press on B. Now you can add cuts to your video. As you can see now I have multiple cuts. Now just add a video, add the shake effect right between the cut. This cut we have here right in the middle, and now increase the strength to 85 and around 26 here or 30, and then here make sure you also add a keyframe. Select, move now the cursor, another keyframe, and make sure you zoom in just a little bit. And then what you have to do now is to go to opening, and here we need to add a slanted blur. I like to add a slanted blur right when this effect will start. You can also 100% make this video much shorter. Okay, so just make sure you shrink this video, like just make it shorter. So shrink this video. Think that's way too long, and you can add here a keyframe and here. Okay. Now we can also add here media, library, and this white. Make sure you move it around here, and then go to blend. Select here overlay and increase or decrease the opacity, sorry. Now we have this simple effect we have here. Now you have to repeat all these steps for all your videos. Also make sure you shorten your video, your clips, so are not too long, because if they're long it's gonna take too long to till the person will see your effects, your transitions. But also make sure you select your video and go to animation, and here in make sure you add a swing top left, top right, and yeah, this is now complete. You can also make the duration around 0.3. Okay, so I hope you learned something, guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. Take care, and thank you for watching.